Alright, fellow YouTubers, I got an update on my blue truck. Took the old 305 out, put 350 in it. I think it's a 4-volt main 350, but I don't know for sure about that. But I got her running. She's back alive again. It's alive. I added a set of gauges to it because all I have is idiot lights. So we got gauges, we got oil pressure, temperature's coming up. I'm pretty happy. Pretty happy. With the dual exhaust, got rid of the single. So it's been a while, but we got this sucker running again. Can't wait to get it on the road.